Welcome to my visa application vlog. 2 weeks ago, I went to Changsha to apply for Italy Schengen visa. In this vlog, I'll show you the latest requirements, the story behind the scene, how long did it take, and my visa result. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's keep on watching.
感觉这个配置就是很像飞机舱。现在的话已经凌晨1点了，我就直接在签证中心的楼上住了，这样子比较方便，明天直接下楼就可以把签证给办了。明天见。Morning. See, I even bring the eyelashes. So last time was a disaster. Last time when I applied for Iceland visa, I didn't do any makeup and I didn't really wash my face. In the document checklist, you actually have to bring a 2-inch profile photo. When I finish all of the document, like the paper documents, he let me into a room, asked me to sit down and asked me to look into the camera. And I was like, why are we taking this photo? So like when I took off my hat, my hair looks greasy and disgusting. And my face looks so pale. I didn't even bring a lipstick on me. And it was the regret of my life. So this time, this is not happening. This is not happening again. So the reason I chose this hotel is because I think this hotel is the Italian visa center. So I think, okay, stay here would be super easy because I'm just gonna go downstairs and apply for the visa. So last night when I want to do like a double check for the location, the time, and I realized that, oh my god, this is not the visa center. This is actually the Spain visa center. And there are different places, and the Italian visa center is like 20 minutes away from here, so I'm at the wrong hotel. Like, glad that I checked. Change all the plans, so I'll just accept it. Okay, we're done for the makeup. 出发.
When I arrived at the VFS that day, it's not even open yet. I was the first candidate. I printed the wrong size of the application form. It has to be A5, so I need to rewrite it at the VFS. The total process took me 1 hour because I missed some documents, and I actually went to the bank to print out the receipt. Other than that, it was quick and smooth.
但我可能带不进去哎。
没有，你等一下就可以吃了。
在外面吗？那我要个很小的吧，这太大了。
你就这样撕掉，把它划掉，你可以放在口袋里。
好的好的，谢谢阿姨，好再见。好漂亮。Okay, I think this is my passport. I applied for Italy visa last week, and I'm so nervous, guys. Yes, this is the visa. I mean, this is the. Guys. Let's fingers crossed. Let's see the result. I'm so nervous. But I'm so nervous. I can't wait. Guys. Oh my god. It's actually just opening on the visa page. Let me see. So the Italy embassy actually gave me a 1-month multi-entry Italy visa. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to Italy. I hate winter packing. Oh, it's a dragon. I'm actually about to departure to Italy next week, and this time I'm going to Italy for a 2 weeks of the volunteer program, and then I'll off to my solo trip in Europe. So my plan for now is I will go to Germany, maybe Denmark, Norway, Sweden, maybe back to Iceland. Well, actually, I don't really have a plan for now. I think I'll just go with the flow. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys about like how I start my packing and what will I pack for this 30 days of trip, and also some chit chat while I'm packing. So if you're interested, let's keep on watching. I'll get my racks out and also open my suitcase. So starting from today, I'll just throw everything here on the rack and also into the suitcase without organizing anything. So today we'll get to this pre-packing.
Hello guys! Today it's officially 4 days before my departure. Anytime I just think of anything, I just throw them into this room, on the rack, on the floor, on the table, just everywhere. I have a lot of laundries, packages, and just random stuff. So today we're actually going to start packing. First step I think we're going to do is to unpack all the packages that I've been ordering. Power bank. This is super useful. Jelly cats! This is the jelly cats that my boyfriend ordered me. What's this? Oh, it's a dragon. Cute. The ones. This is my work clothes. This is the sleepers. The coffee. Makeup cleanser used for the trip. Oh, this is very essential. I'm really worried that I'm gonna be stolen or robbed in Italy, and that's how I keep myself safe. Ta-da! I got a pair of Black Samba. This is my old ones, and these are the new ones. This is the last one. This is gonna prevent from the Blu-ray. How do we look? And also a pair of clear. Alright, we just finished opening all the packages. So now let's start packing! So during the first 2 weeks, I'm going to Italy, and it was for a volunteer program for 2 weeks, going to a horse rescue center. I'm gonna work mainly outdoors. So I'll start with the clothes. Let's first move everything down to the suitcase, and also to show you what kind of work clothes do I take. Work clothes, leg warmer, work pants, work clothes, raincoat clothes. This is the horse boots, and also this is a rain boots. So this is also considered as my working shoe because I want to save some space for my suitcase. So I'm gonna try to use this one and compress them into the smaller bags. Let's seal this. Now let's start pressing. Roll this down. Let's tackle this back. Here you go, with a small bag of work clothes. I hate winter packing. Now let's move to my regular fun clothes for travel. I don't want to take too much because I want to save some space, and I'm gonna do some shoppings there. So let's see how much we're gonna take. Cute sweater. A shirt. I think sweaters are having more space for compression. Two hats into this bag as well. Got a fox fur coat, and I also got another bomber jacket. For this puffer, I'm gonna wear it into the airport, so I'm not gonna pack it here. Alright, okay. The shape is not right. I want to make it into a rectangle. This is fine. Second one. Not bad. Shape is not right. The fuck? Don't panic. Okay, I'll put this into the other half. Let's organizing some shoes now. I'm putting my sneakers and also this pair of sleepers together into this shoe bag. I also have a small bag that I want to take for daily. And also some towels and sheets and pillows. Call it here. This half of the suitcase is done. Before we pack all of the makeups, I have to move my current serum into another container because this one is just too heavy. This is a glass container. Because I'm going to visit my brother in Norway, and his girlfriend is from Sweden, so I brought some of our Chinese gift to her, so I have to pack all of these packages into my bag to make this gift to look decent. And also this is for him. This is a window shield. Can you believe it? He can't buy this in Norway. And I have to take this all the way from China to Norway to give it to him. It's ridiculous. They need Taobao ASAP, okay? My ring boot. I'm gonna use this small bag for the rest of the small stuffs. The mask, the measures, my eye mask, some working gloves, my glass. I'm gonna just all put them here. Oh, and also some heating pads. Thank you. Yes, we're finished.